Hi guys, welcome to K2M Unboxing channel. You have seen Aniq, Ali and Muaz unboxing twice and doing the reviews, and I'm continuing with the other items which are a little bit too big for them. So today I have the Ring Floodlight home security system that comes with Ring chime. Ordered it over the Thanksgiving from Costco. Pretty good deal. It comes with a whole year of cloud recording. So let's start doing the unboxing for each one of them. I'm going to keep this down, and first I'm going to talk about the home security system. Ring call it the Ring Floodlight Cam. It has 1080p HD video recording, advanced motion detection, 110 dB security system, and motion and activated control light. So if you see, these are two floodlight plus the cam. So anybody moving, you can hang on top of your garage. Anybody moving, it can light up and also start recording. It does have a night vision, advanced detection. They also say on the back that is a weather resistant design, infrared night vision, Wi-Fi connected, and two-way talking. On the side, you can see it says the Ring story, how it detects and showing the person coming into your garage. On this side, it shows home security system, how it is. The box is pretty heavy, right? So let's start doing the unboxing. And here it is, the Ring camera. Say hello to the Ring. That's how it is. Now, if I take this out, you can see pretty heavy. Oh my God. This whole box, it has it's everything assembled. The floodlight, it has all the wirings with the notes and everything, that you would replace your existing floodlight with this. And you put this fixture in, it will have a camera also, and you can actually move these. So if I put these aside, inside the box, if you see, I got a small booklet here, or packet. Let's see what it is in there. The Ring came to Shark Tank, if you guys remember. Didn't get the deal. Now it has become the biggest company in home security. I think Amazon bought them. But now they give you a Ring power protected by Ring sticker. You can put this on the window or the door. Switch light stickers. This one, if you have the light for the garage, you can just put a tab in there. Do not switch off, because this is motion detected light, so it will only turn on when someone is moving. Then it has a quick start guide, and this is really good. You just download the app, do the wiring, and connect to the Wi-Fi and turn on. That's the terms and condition. This is in English, all the guide it has. This walks you through step by step with all the instructions, what you have in the box, what type of wiring you have, where you need to put it. I would highly recommend you shut off your main electricity before you attempt to do it. I'm going to put this back. Now in the box, if you see, there are a couple of other items are there. I'm going to open this up. One is this installation kit. Let's open what we have in the installation kit. Okay, good. Bunch of screws it gives you right here. Their own proprietary, not proprietary actually, it's a simple Phillips screwdriver, I believe they have. It comes with the orange band, this one, it's Ring in there. This, and the cap for the wires, and the J hook. So these parts are already here. Let's put them here. I'm gonna put these here for you guys. The last but not least, the box is empty. I'm gonna put this aside. This is the This what will go to your wall when you replace your floodlight. You need to put this fixture in, screw in the whole this light. The whole this fixture will come on this, and that's how it will become your new floodlight with the Ring security system. That's all we have with this entire box. I'm excited, looking to put this and replace my home security, so that will be really great. I'm going to put this back in the box and keep this outside. Now another thing, if you have Wi-Fi, let's say your router is on the second floor in your house and Wi-Fi signals are weak at the garage, in all those cases, then this Ring Chime Pro, this is the inside bell, that comes very handy. What it does actually, if you see here, if you have Ring doorbell or something to your router, if your router is too far from the Ring devices, you can put this. It acts as a wireless router extender as well. So it actually extends the range for your wireless router. So it extends the Wi-Fi in for your Ring devices. Your Ring devices then connect to this, they will have more range. It says you can have multiple tone set, you can have dual, there's a do not disturb mode, volume control. The benefit I see is now when someone walks outside the door or in front of the garage, I get a ring on my phone. Right? Someone is out there, I can define the area where it detects and do that. Now I have more louder sound within the home when I need to do it. So let's unbox this quickly, the Chime Pro. It should be pretty simple. That's the box. Simple Ring box, simplicity, I like it. Right, there's this. This is what Ring Chime look like. What it has, simple chime, two Wi-Fi extender, plug goes into the outlet, says scan during the setup, so you will use your phone, Android or iOS, any device, scan it, it will connect, and then you connect to the Wi-Fi and go from there. That's all we have for today, guys. Please keep watching. Make sure to subscribe to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. Give us a thumbs up. You see the bell icon. Click on the bell icon, so anytime we have a new video, you'll get the alert. Give us a thumbs up, like our video, and share it on all the social media. Bye bye.